I've done some videos for PhotoTex in the past. I want to do another one. This is the opaque blockout. It is certified media. Our certified media will always have the certified logo. This is a perfect product to use for peel-away self-adhesive. It is, without question, the market leader in this category. They have a fantastic PVC-free product that is textured. Essentially, it's like an adhesive fabric that you can put on the wall. This is just like polyester fabric, except it's made into a wall covering. It has one of the best adhesives in the business. So you can print on it, get this fantastic look. All you have to do is download it directly from the media locator onto the printer, and then you can print directly to it. It is opaque. It has that wonderful kind of high-end fabric texture to it. It prints beautiful. It is a category leader, and it is an indispensable peel and stick repositionable product from PhotoTex. Very glad to have them on board on our media locator. Wonderful product. Can't recommend it highly enough.